Good morning from Dubai. It's Micheline Ramo. Good morning from Dubai. Good evening on the other side. Guys, I want to inform you that we are about to jump into our very last journeys for the year 2023. So, getting some questions coming in, and best I just jump on live like so many of you have been asking me to do. So I'm going to. We have our last journeys coming up 29th of October, and like I've said, it is our last journeys for the year. So if you want to jump in, if you want to renew your health and end the year off on a mega high, you best secure your spot now coming the 29th of October. I'm going to dive into the journeys a little bit more detail, and we'll be starting the new year 2024 with a brand new challenge, and that's the Bikini FitBody challenge. It's not a competition. We don't ever compete with our physiques in the PowerfulME platforms. We are only here to inspire, motivate, and to renew ourselves. So we're always competing within ourselves, meaning we are leveling up every single journey we do with ourselves, and with each other we keep inspiring each other. That's what we do. So we never compete, and it's a challenge. We challenge ourselves. Good morning, girls. Good morning, everyone. So what I'm trying to bring forward is to let you all know that within our journeys, it's number one is our health. That's the first priority. So everything we do is health first. And once you start with your health, everything else is a domino effect in a positive manner. Weight loss, your gut is renewed, your mindset is renewed. The main thing I also want to stress out in our journeys is the mindset is what is worked on. Self-development. The self-development tools that are brought about in these journeys are phenomenal. And a couple of girls, no, I'm not even going to say a couple of girls. It was actually maybe one specific girl. She didn't understand why we're doing a self-development when she was focusing on fasting. You got it wrong. Self-development is the main focus, because if you're not working on yourself and your mindset, how are you going to get through anything else? You've got to install these habits. You've got to start installing these habits on a daily basis. And fair enough, it doesn't take 7 days to create new habits. It doesn't take 2 weeks to create new habits, but you got to start somewhere. You got to start in order to get the 21 day where the bug bites. I always say it takes 21 days for the bug to bite. So also would be one statement that said, how are you supposed to get your self-development sorted within 7 days, within the 7-day journey, or in 14 days within the 14-day journey? Think. It's not 7 days or 14 days that your self-development is going to be over the top. It's the start of it that you carry forward afterwards. You carry it forward within your life. I'm here giving you the tools. The PowerfulME platform, virtual coaching studios, provide you with the tools to start implementing, to start practicing, to start respecting. So you start 7 days, commit to 7 days of self-development. That's the question. Can you commit to 7 days of self-development? Can you commit to 14 days of self-development? So don't say things and you haven't even done it, or you haven't even tried it, and you haven't even implemented it. It takes 21 days for that bug to bite. And once it bites, you don't want to let go. It doesn't let go unless you do. So, 7-day journey is a body reset, starting with your mind, starting with the health. It's a respect for yourself, it's a respect for your body. And the body reset is something that's, like I've always said, it's one of my favorites. Body reset, we do fasting protocols. It's not too much of a prolonged fasting protocol, and it's not fasting for 7 days. The magic of fasting, I know majority of you all know what fasting is about, okay? But within the PowerfulME platform, we provide you with the tools. I provide you with the coaching, the accountability system. I provide you with 24/7 focused coaching, focused accountability. And there's a right way and there's a wrong way in fasting. And many are fasting incorrectly. And I am very confident in stating that statement. Many are fasting incorrectly. And it demotivates the person. And would say this stuff doesn't work. Anyways, I'm going to put all the weight back on after the journey. You're doing it wrong. You're doing it wrong. And within the PowerfulME platform is a guiding light. I teach you. I coach you. I give you the tools. I show you how to maintain after your journey. And they are all stipulated beautifully there. I go into deep explanation, deep conversation, deep discussions within the virtual coaching studio. So you'll get your step-by-step guidelines, step-by-step accountability. The group all stick together. The group motivate each other. The protocols are all doable within the 7-day journey, which is the body reset journey. All doable. I roll them myself. Personally, I love it. It resets your gut, your mind. It's healing. You are healing your body. You are healing. You're ridding toxins. You're ridding sickness. You're ridding inflammation. You're ridding bloating. You are renewing your hormones. So you have a choice between the 7-day body reset or the 14-day transformation where the protocols are different. It's not fasting for 14 days solid straight. They are protocols within the journey. And within the 7-day and 14-day journey, they are different. Protocols are different. Refeeds are different. All the foods are stated for you within a menu. I tell you what to eat. I tell you when to eat. I tell you how to break your fast. I coach you right through. And with the correct coaching, with the correct guidelines, you'll be able to achieve your goals. There's no fear after the journey either. You have a choice to learn how to maintain. But even if you don't jump into the maintenance journey, I give you tips on how to maintain. I don't coach you how to maintain. Only after the journey should you join the maintenance journey, which is 30 days. And the previous girls have just completed their maintenance journey. They ended up even in a greater position after 30 days. They learned not only how to maintain their weight, and they didn't only learn how to maintain the weight loss. They gained even further, greater fat burning results, and they've lost more fat because within maintenance coaching journey, you are maintaining and you don't even realize that you are still burning fat, building muscle. It's not only about the scale after your journeys. 7-day, 14-day, I'd say the 14-day journey is scale accountability, because you're fasting. You're fasting. So the scale will drop and you'll be losing a lot of fat. A lot of fat. And you want to rid it for good. And within the maintenance journey, you secure that weight loss. You secure it. And you continue losing fat. And it's not about the scale. The scale will maintain. The scale will maintain. So if you're wanting to learn how to maintain, jump into maintenance. It's not about the scale dropping in maintenance, but it does, and it can, due to your fat burning zone that you are securing. So guys, 29th of October is our last journeys for us Body Reset 7-day and our 14-day transformation. Last journeys for 2023. And then it will be our last maintenance coaching journey right afterwards on the 12th of November. So you have a choice, and the great choice as well within the 14-day journey, you have a choice to share your pictures or not. You have that choice. And should you do share any pics of before and after pictures, you'll form part of our global movement platform. The global movement platform is where you receive even extra goodies, extra bonuses, extra giveaways. So one more thing I want to put forward is that the fasting I provide for free. There is no extra charge with the fasting journey. So should you join as a member with the PowerfulME platform, the PowerfulME platform and the community where you are able to chat to everybody, you are then have the choice to jump into a fasting journey, which is no extra charge. So as a member, you receive your training, six sessions for the 14-day and 3 sessions for the 7-day journeys, and your lifestyle coaching studio, where we go into a lounge area and we have magnificent, powerful topics of discussions. Lifestyle, hormones, food hacks, all the great things. Plus, I have brought in a new channel called The Kitchen. And within The Kitchen, I do a lot of cooking, a lot of easy cooking. So it's quick and easy recipes. I like simplicity. The less is the better within the foods choices. You don't want to have it too complicated, too over the top, especially when you are focused on nurturing and feeding your health. Simplicity is better, and you'll receive and achieve greater results. So everybody, if you have any questions, you know you can DM us or you can email us. Those that are already in the virtual coaching studios, you're already formed part of your community. You can ask questions via the community platform within the studios, and we'll be ready to answer your questions. So don't miss this opportunity. 29th of October is our last journey. 2024, I'll come back to you guys and explain further about our Bikini FitBody challenge, and that is for everybody and anybody. It is a competition with yourself. It is a challenge that you challenge yourself. It is focused on the recomposition of your body, so you're burning fat and building lean muscle. Fat gone, lean muscle plus. Okay, and there's no prolonged fasting protocols within that journey. All right, everybody, I hope you have the most fantastic day. I am ready to finish my coffee, and I have made myself some electrolyte water with vitamin C and L-glutamine, and I am ready to hit the gym. 1 hour power, solid power hour at the gym, and I will catch you soon. Have a fantastic day. Ciao, everybody.